Hey there, Taskmasters. If you're here, we're guessing you're looking for ways to speed up your sprint planning. You're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to automatically create subtasks in Jira, a handy tool that will take your project management to the next level. We're going to make this steps easy and hassle-free for you. Remember, each sprint towards success begins with a single step. Ready? Let's dive into it. Begin by navigating yourself over to Settings. This is your control room, a space for tweaking Jira to work best for you. Click on Settings, then move to the next level and select Systems. I know it might seem pretty labyrinthine with lots of tabs and options, but stay with me. We're in this together. Next on our task list, look for the Automations tab. In the Automations area, select Global Automation. This is where the magic starts to take shape. We're going to create a rule that'll make our lives a whole lot easier. Click Create a Rule. Now comes the fun part, setting up your rule with Add a Trigger. Think of this as your virtual bell that rings when a specific action happens. So choose When Item Transitioned as the trigger for your rule. This is where we tell Jira what we want to happen. We're going to be moving an issue from the backlog directly to do, like a conveyor belt zapping issues straight to where they need to be. Kind of neat, right? Next up, we're going to add an action. This is the consequence of our trigger. It might take a few moments to think about what exactly you want to happen, and that's totally okay. What we're going to do here is create a new action. Now you need to specify the type of issue we're creating. Choose Subtask. Subtasks are great because they help break big tasks into manageable bites. It's like saying you're going to eat healthier, but rather than leaving it at that, you decide to eat an apple every day at lunch. After you've decided on the type of issue to create, it's time to detail that issue. First, add a summary. Think of it as the headline of your subtask. Then, draft up your description. Your summary brought your reader in. Now your description fills in the details. Once you've adorned your issue with all the necessary details, click on Next and prepare yourself for the final step. We're almost there. Finally, we're going to turn on the rule. With this, the system will start recognizing and following the rule you've diagrammed. Marvel at the fruits of your labor and know that you've just sped up your sprint planning. And there you have it. So that's how you automatically create subtasks in Jira. Easy, right? Remember, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you, and drop us a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. We're here to help. Until next time, happy tasking